and you.
Oh my gosh! Today I'm leaving for Salt Lake City with a couple of my girlfriends, and we are going to be doing a road trip, birthday extravaganza weekend. And so far, this is the packing situation. I've got my green away suitcase, and then I'm gonna be bringing my Marc Jacobs tote bag. This little guy is gonna be joining us, so his crate is filled with stuff. I think I'm just gonna keep stuffing it because he'll just sit on my lap in the car. I have these surprise little party favors that I'm putting together. On the very last day, I'm gonna put these on the counter out for them. I've been looking forward to this for so long. I'm wearing my new Brandy Melville set that I showed in my last video. This is the road trip fit today. You're joking. Stop. Oh, you are the best. Alright, we just got here to Salt Lake City and we scoped out the Airbnb. She looks gorgeous. Look who is already here. The bathroom is gorgeous. Humongous shower. Over here in the corner, this is the closet. So I already have my suitcase laid out, and then there's a door that goes to the backyard, which is perfect, so I can just let Matcha out. And then the rest of the house, it gets better. There's like a whole nother bathroom. There's just a chair just in this closet. The lighting in this room, mwah, chef's kiss. So Allie is in this one, Kaylee is in this one, and then other Kaylee's in this one. Thanks so much. Thank you. Look who came and joined. We just got gelato. Charlie had the longest day ever.
Been in 4 states, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know where I'm at right now.
What are the 4 states?
I was in Ohio, Kansas, Idaho, and Utah.
All over. We just got some gelato.
Man of many tricks.
Good morning. Coming to you live, barefaced, freshly woken up. We're making a quick run to Target. It's really dry here, so we're getting lotion. And we are gonna be moisturized girlies, but Utah is no joke. If you live here, what do you do? Because this is probably the driest climate that I've ever been to. And yeah, we're gonna grab some coffee after. We got a nice cold brew with toasted marshmallow and oat milk and donut holes. I'm excited for today. I don't even think we have an itinerary planned. We're just gonna go with the flow. I'm kind of feeling a little bit of a hike, but I also really want to find like a cute brunch spot. Yeah, we have one more person coming today and their flight comes in at 10 p.m. And so then it'll be a happy household of 6 people. This is so good. Is that a salt rim on it? Oh wait, sugar rim? Oh no. Oh, I like that. What? That's so dramatic. You guys, this looks scrumptious. Okay, so there's nothing left in the store, so we're gonna see what's in here. Oh my god. Cute.
What up, Q? Wee wee.
Show Kaylee.
Hey, honey. What'd you think? No?
I think this is the cutest frame ever. Just this whole little section right here. Someone please explain this. How does this work? We're making wishes into the fountain.
Once a quarter, I need to downsize to a penny. We might need those later.
Okay, ready?
3, 2. All right, ladies. So this, I don't know if you can really see, but There is obviously a large amount of lipstick on this, okay? This is not what you do if you want to get a boyfriend that loves you.
my coffee.
If you want to be single, put a lot of lipstick on and then drink out of a straw and hand it to your boyfriend. See what he does. Step A.
He's done. He's done.
The ladies are currently making bracelets right now. I did not sign up for this. I was coming to the mall to get some summer clothes, you know, maybe get some stuff I want to wear for the summer. And so far, I have gotten nothing and a straw full of lipstick for my girlfriend. So, someone come save me, please. That's all I'm asking for.
This is what she looks like.
She put it on though.
She put it on.
It's Caroline's birthday tomorrow. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Caroline is the epitome of a grandma. If you guys want to send her some like fan mail or something, maybe send her, you know, some waffle mix, a walker, a cane maybe, yarn for knitting. We're done with the torture. All the bracelets are made. I have no clue where we're going, but I still need to be safe. Yeah, someone please just, you know, do whatever you can to get me out of this, please.
So we stumbled into this store and we're all getting something. So I got these blue running shorts. Looks like this. Kaylee, what did you get?
Yoga pants. They're like flared.
Guys, they feel like actual butter. I wish y'all could feel it.
So soft.
What are we doing?
We grocery shop.
All right, we're getting some groceries because we're cooking dinner. Get a little cart. I really, really want strawberries.
Yummy. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
All right, we're making tacos. This might be the cutest coffee shop I've ever seen. I feel like I'm in like a little gnome village.
It's like a
Oh my gosh, my hair is like a mess.
Hello.
I think I might have to get it. Even the dressing rooms are grocery store themed. It is the cutest store that I've ever been into. Wow. We just got so much food. Literally about to mess this up. Currently in the trunk because there's not enough space, but we are at Swig right now and so many people recommended that I go here, so I'm trying it out. I'm trying to figure out what I want.
I have a question. Can you roll down on it? Yeah. You can roll down on it. It didn't roll down. Do you get free birthday drinks here or no?
Okay.
Okay.
I do just need some, like if you have your ID. Just want a sugar cookie?
Here.
It's a fake ID.
Okay, well, happy birthday.
Thank you. Heck yeah. Okay, I'll do the strawberry breeze refresher.
Blended or just regular?
What's better?
I like it blended. Just like a slushy kind of.
Yeah, don't you blended?
Actually, whatever. Yeah, sorry.
Oh my god, I'm indecisive. Yeah, we'll do blended, sure.
Regular water?
Yes.
Gonna get the one. I got the mango version of yours.
Oh, wait.
Ow! Stab me.
Please, I hit you right in the face. So barbecue was amazing. Also, oh dang it, my Lonely Ghost bag isn't back
Hey,
here.
Caro,
Right after
Yeah?
you do this.
you want to enlist
Yes,
in the
yes.
U.S. Marines on your birthday?
Yes, yes please.
Fantastic. There's a career center right ahead.
Ooh. Do you think they'll take me?
There's a gymnastics team there.
Let's do it. We're going to dinner tonight at 5:45 downtown.
Wait,
oh my gosh, that's huge.
That's a small. Oh god. Oh, Caro. Caro.
Stop.
Why is it so big?
Swig.
Wow, they want
Swag.
Those are small.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Try this, try. Everybody try.
Is it a picture?
Hey loves,
thought it was.
it is dinner time. This is Allie's. Allie, what are you wearing?
Mine. I'm wearing Caro.
We did a little switcheroo before, because if you're a girl, you know. But yeah, we're parking now, and then we're gonna go eat some grub. Dinner was phenomenal. I got a salmon, Brussels sprouts, and like baked potato. And now we're all getting ready to eat these yummy cupcakes that Kaylee got. I'm so excited. This one is a Thin Mint, and I love Thin Mints. Me too.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Go Broncos! Yeah!
Good morning! We are trying out this new bakery called Ava's Bakery. Kaylee's friend recommended it, and it already looks gorgeous from the outside. Here's what we're working with. First off, they have monkey bread. Love that, but I'm feeling an almond croissant, and then this looks really good as well.
I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medicine.